Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with a super cool product. This is from westerndigital.com. It's the My Passport Go. Basically what this is a tough, durable SSD drive that's built to travel. It's even got its own USB cable built into it, so all you need to do is take the unit with you and away you go. So it comes in two different capacities. It's got an SSD and a solid state drive, which is usually much cooler. There's no moving parts in an SSD like there is in a hard drive, so it's much safer, especially if you drop it. It's much more durable, etc., etc. Plus, it's got a great rubberized outside to it that can take quite a bit of drop, up to 2 meters. So it comes in two capacities, 500 gigabytes and 1 TB, and either a bluish color or yellowish color, and you can decide just which one works best for you. It's pretty cool. The built-in cable is very convenient. You just whip it out, you plug it in, and away you go. The rubberized protective bumper on the outside gives it plenty of durability for drops, for bangs, for whatever. And so this is really built where if you want to travel with it, you can take it with you and go. It's compact and integrated. SSD performance is usually 2 times faster than your portable hard disk drives. I love SSDs, let me tell you. And they last like so much longer. And part of it is because since there's no parts inside of it that are moving, it doesn't create friction and heat. So therefore, heat tends to kill just about any electronics when it comes down to it over time. So with an SSD, you don't have heat. So therefore, you're doing pretty good. Fine. It's fully compatible with your PC or Mac computer. You just plug it in, away you go. It also comes with an automatic backup software for Windows and Time Machine compatible for Mac. Work with your PlayStation and your Xbox. So, you can use that to expand it if you want. And it's engineered and manufactured by Western Digital, leading storage company. You're probably pretty familiar with them. They make all sorts of hard drives. This is definitely up in their wheelhouse. So pretty cool. We were impressed with the product, and it did a great job with it. The interface is USB 3.0, so you're going to get that nice, fast transfers, and away you go. So to check it out, you can go to westerndigital.com and the My Passport Go. And I think you'll love the product. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.